Hello everyone, and in front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So, at first open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, go to Reset, and all you have to do now is to mark Reset all settings. Then if you truly want to reset all settings on this device, also those for networks, fingerprints, Face ID and lock screen password, just mark reset all settings. Enter your PIN code if you have one, confirm by tapping on reset all settings one more time, and wait till it's done. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.